Okay, so today I'm going to take a look at my PlayStation 2. So, this is what I've been using to capture Grand Theft Auto as has been on the channel. I have modded it with FreeMakeBoot. The reason for that is that the disk drive isn't reading disks. So I thought, let's try and give it a repair and see if we can actually make any sort of difference to it. Condition wise, not too bad, got some scuffs. Both of these work, USBs work, and I've not tried the optical out. So what we'll do first is I'll get it connected up to my capture card and we will see if it's reading discs at all. Then we will get the lid off it and see what's happening. Okay, so hit the eject. Oh, grindy. Oh no, I'm not getting the disc in there. Right, let's try that again. Eject. Just pop the disc in before it shuts on me. There we go. Will it boot? I mean, I can hear it's trying to read the disc. Let's go into the browser. See what it says. Reading disc. Will you work? I doubt it. When will you give up? That is the question. Okay, so I think we'll just take this as it's not working. So let's get the lid off it and have a look inside. So I'll just take out the hard drive. So yeah, this is just a SATA drive converter for the PlayStation 2. It's not a real network adapter. It does say network adapter, but it's not. Okay, that's the expansion bay emptied. Let's get into the underneath of it. The return of the cup. Oh, missed. Right. Short, short, long, long. Long. Oh, so much easier. Right. Perfect. There we go. Oh, okay. Right. We're in. This is the guy that's causing us problems, so how are you attached? Okay, so this comes out somehow. There we go. That just clicks in. I'm just going to take the lid off this. Oh, there's my disc. What have we got? No idea what I'm doing. So, grinding. High pitch noise, high pitch noise. So, what I think it is this here. This is just skipping over this. Really, it should be turning it, like so. But it's not. This is what's happening. So I think that's the problem, that this has got no purchase. How I'm going to fix that, I have no bloody idea. So, let's get it off. This screw allows this rail to come off. This should pop out now. Okay, one rail off, and this one can go like so. Flip this over.
this bit there.
So there's two little teeth here, which drive up and down this.
And they look to be worn away somewhat.
What we're going to do with this?
Let's take it off.
Yeah, that's just this. Right, so let's get a closer look at this. If I just clean these, they slot into the little grooves in this. We'll reattach this to the laser assembly and hope for the best. Now, which bloody way? Oh, I wasn't paying attention when I turned it off. Right, so when it's round the other way, so this way. Like so. Well, that's better. Let's put the screws back in. So it did sound like it was grinding, and I'm hoping that this is what the problem is, based off of my zero experience of doing things like this before. But we shall try and we shall endeavour. Let's hope it's not angry at me when I turn it back on. Go. It's not making the grinding noise. Ah, no, there we go again. Let's try GTA. It's just the same thing. So it's I can feel it. It's buzzing. It's like it's this here. I've got no way of seeing it.
I wonder if this lube's just old. It's just not. It doesn't feel lubey.
Reading this. Okay, launch this. And then right, so it reads in the middle of the disc, and so when it tries to shoot up, it's not working. Please don't fly out like a ninja star and kill me. So it's read the disc. If I press X, I should be able to see what this does. Yeah, see, it's not moving. It's trying to move it.
That's definitely the problem.
Don't kill me. So, this assembly isn't moving. It's able to read the middle of the disc where it's encrypted, like where it picks up the, yeah, so my PlayStation disc is like in the middle, but it's then not like jumping up to read the disc. You definitely a problem. I think it's just jumping out. A little bit of painstaking work. I'll get there. Because this, I mean, it's working fine here, and then it just goes. So I reckon it's just because of this old manky loop. Okay, so the way I see it, this is round this way, and it needs more pressure on this. So there's a hard stop point here. So I think if I put a little spacer under this, take this off, put something to brace it up on, it might give this more purchase, so it may work. That's my current plan. Now I just need to figure out what I can put under it. I suppose paper? Bit sellotape maybe? Let's get it off first anyway. Aha! Perfect. So that should create a bit more pressure on this. Oh my god. this may work. Right, let's get the screws in. Glidey, glidey. Oh no. Screwdriver. Oh my god! Ah! Oh god. Okay, so to recap, under this we have attached a washer, which is putting more leverage pressure on this. So hopefully that will engage it and it will work. We have power. Close this. Oh, look at that. Did you see that? Oh, that motion. Ooh, exciting. Right, let's find a disc. Open. Will it find the disc? It's doing something. Oh my god, I have fixed it. I fixed it with a washer. Oh my god! Yes! I have the power! I cannot believe I have managed to do this. Yes, there's nothing in there, but okay, okay, proceed, yeah. I fixed it. Yes! I can't believe I fixed this. Oh. Zombie armies. But anyway, that's enough of that. Right, let's get this off, put it back together. Oh, I'm so pleased. Just had a quick trip and got some silicone spray, so I'm going to try and lube this properly. Sweet. And there was one missing. Okay, let's give it a wee test run. Let's see if we turn the thing on first. There we go. Open. Oh, it's opening and staying open now, so that's a bit improvement. Yeah, it's booting into 3-bit boot because I've got the memory card in. So let's just see. Let's try take and tag. See if that works. I need to borrow this chief. You read the disc? Oh yes. It's definitely working. It sounds like it's working anyway. Might not work. Oh. Oh, there's just nothing better than this. There's literally nothing better than Second Tag for PS2. I got this game when I got my PS2 on release day on don't know when, but yeah. Second Tag. I can't believe this is working.
You are wrong.
Vector Oh, just I can't believe this is working.
Round one. Fight.
Oh. Oh, do the move. Oh, yes. Much more of this coming up. I think I'm going to have to get myself an action every culture. Not that one. Like you can do a tag move or so, remember. Hold on. Well, free to say Tekken works, so let's just get rid of this. Let's try some GTA from disc this time and see if it works. Reset. There we go. That's better. You got a boot? We're going to manage it. No, it doesn't leave it does. Does it? Okay, no, it's working. Oh, yes. My loyal and faithful friend, you have returned from the dead. I think this can be considered a success. I'm still in shock that I've managed to fix this, but yeah. Genuinely thought I might have to go and buy another donor console to get the drive out of it or something, but now I can actually access my library of PlayStation 2 games from back in the day. So yeah, excellent. That's all very exciting. Definitely happy about this. And we'll see what comes next. Or maybe even finish my GTA playthrough. It's on the way. I'm hoping to get to the Third Island soon. Anyway, videos will be up as and when I get time to record them and edit them. More to come. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, I suppose I don't really need the free make anymore.